Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about a topic, coal and petroleum. Last class we discussed about coal, right? Today we see about petroleum. Now we discuss about petroleum. Have you all heard the word petroleum, petrol? Yes, light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters and cars, heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors run on what? Diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resources called petroleum. Okay, without petrol, car, bike, etc. can't move from one place to another, right? Petrol is very important. Petrol and diesel are obtained from natural resources called petroleum. Then the next thing is petroleum was formed from organisms living in a sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, because of absence of air, higher temperature, high pressure transformed the dead organism into petroleum and natural gas. Okay, how petroleum formed? From organism living in a sea. Okay, as these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and covered with a layer of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature, high pressure, the dead organism are transformed to petroleum and natural gas. Okay, the figure shows that petroleum and natural gas are present at the bottom of the sea. You see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of water, right? In the picture. Because oil and gas are lighter than water and thus they do not mix with it. Okay. Then refining of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. Okay. It is dark in color and it is very thick. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. It is mixture of various constituents. Okay, it is a mixture of various constituents such as what? Petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. Lubricating oil is nothing but an oil. Okay, it is a soft oil, and paraffin wax is used for candle, cosmetics, polishes, etc. We are using paraffin wax. Okay, the process of separating the various constituents fractions of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Okay, it is a factory. In the picture, it is a factory. It is used to refine petroleum. Okay, the background image is a factory to refine what? Petroleum. Okay, ma. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has unpleasant odor. It constituents various such as mixtures such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. The process of separating the various constituent fraction petroleum is known as what? Refining. Okay, it is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Okay, then about various constituents of petroleum and their uses in one tablet column. Okay, first thing is petroleum gas in liquid form, fuel for home and industry. We are using fuel, right? Gas cylinder we are using for cooking and all. We are using gas cylinder, LPG, right? Petroleum gas in liquid form its uses is for cooking and all. We are using that gas only. Petrol, motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. For motor, uh, bus, car and all, they are using petrol. Aviation fuel means for plane and all, they are using this petrol. And also solvent for dry cleaning. For dry cleaning also they are using petrol. Okay. Kerosene, we all know that a kerosene, right? Fuel for stove. For stove and all, they are using kerosene for cooking. Then lamp and jet aircraft and all, they are using what? Kerosene. Diesel, fuel for heavy motor vehicles and electric generator and all, they are using diesel. And heavy vehicle like lorry, trucks and all, they are using diesel. Lubricating oil, it is for lubrication, okay, to smoothening the materials. Then paraffin wax, already we studied that paraffin wax is used to polishing candle, for preparing candle, oil, vaseline, etc. Okay. Then bitumen, it is used to for paint, road surfacing and all, they are using bitumen. Okay. Then the next thing is natural gas. Natural gas is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Okay, it is easy to transport through pipes. It passes through pipes. Okay, it is easily passes through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. Okay, it is stored in where? Under high pressure. Okay. CNG is used for power generation. Okay, CNG means compressed natural gas, is used for what? Power generation. Then it is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicle. It is less polluting. So only we are using CNG for transport vehicles also. Okay. Then it is a cleaner fuel. Okay, it is very clean fuel. Then natural gas also used as a starting material for the manufacturing of number of chemical and fertilizers also. They are for manufacturing of chemical and fertilizer, they are using natural gas. India has a various or vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, natural gas have been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in Krishna Godavari Delta. Okay, here and all the natural gas are found. Okay. Then in India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association advises people how to save diesel and petrol while driving. Okay, there are some tips to control what? Petrol and diesel. Okay, drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Okay, while driving the speed must be constant and moderate. Okay. Then second one is switch off the engine at traffic light or at the place where you have to wait. Okay, if we are waiting in a traffic means we want to switch off the engine. While switching off the engine, the petrol and diesel will be saved. Okay, will be saved. So we want to switch off the engine. Then ensure correct tire pressure. Okay, ensure the tire pressure. Then ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. Okay, ensure the regular maintenance of the vehicle. These 4 steps we are saving petrol and diesel. Okay, PCRA advises people to save petrol and diesel. Okay, what is PCRA? Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Okay, that's all about today's topic. Thank you.